Hi, welcome back to PC Builder. I'm Jason. Now we get sponsorship offers all the time on this channel, but we haven't done one yet because they just haven't interested me until now. So today, this video is sponsored by Best Buy and we're checking out the GeoBook 120 Minecraft Edition. This is an actual Minecraft branded laptop that costs us $269. The big question is, can you actually play Minecraft on it? Does it look cool? What kind of awesome Minecraft stuff does it come with? Let's find out. All right, let's see what we got here. Wow, this thing is cool, man. Surgical precision here. Not. All right. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there. Here's the real sell. Minecraft stickers. These are pretty cool, man. And then what else we got in the book? We got a manual. Wow, it's really light too. How many watts is that? My eyes are really bad, but it's 24 watts. It's a 24 watt power brick. I mean, this thing is maybe what, 3.1 pounds? God, it's super light. This insert is gonna save your life in Minecraft. The laptop also comes with a full year of Microsoft 365, so all the Office programs you'll need, and most importantly, a free copy of Minecraft. The laptop is powered by an Intel Celeron N3450 quad-core processor with a 1.1 gigahertz base clock, 4 gigabytes of LP DDR4 memory, 64 gigabytes of eMMC storage, which is similar in speed to a SATA SSD, Windows 10 Home and S Mode, and the graphics are powered by Intel's HD 500 integrated GPU. It has a 12.5-inch 1366 by 768 display and comes equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The laptop comes in Minecraft green, which is way more fun than I thought it was gonna be. The WASD keys also lettered in Minecraft green. The laptop has a front-facing 2 megapixel 1080p camera and stereo microphone. On the left side of the laptop, we have a USB 3 Type A port, the power adapter plug, a mini HDMI port, and a USB Type C port. On the right side, we have the second USB 3.0 Type A port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microSD slot that will support up to 64 gigabyte microSD cards. Okay, so here we are at the Microsoft Store. We go to included with device. Let's get Minecraft right here. Minecraft Windows 10 Starter Collection included with this device. They're getting our stuff. Oh, it does really play pretty well. There's a horse. Wow, the view distance is really good. Look at this. Who knew you could play Minecraft on a $269 laptop with HD 500 graphics? Hey, come here, sheep. Oh, no, that's not a sheep. What is that? It's a duck. I think the key was turning up the graphics to maximum in the power settings. Definitely has enough punch for it. Oh, there's a dungeon down here. Cool, let's see what we got. Oh, that's lava. Lava's hot. Okay, we got out. Oh, hello, Mr. Sheep. I fell in a pit. Watch me struggle at Minecraft. Streaming on a service near you soon. I want to say a big thank you to Best Buy again for sponsoring this video. For those of you who somehow not familiar with Best Buy, it's one of the major retailers for consumer electronics, both in-store and online. And they offer a lot of additional services like Geek Squad to help you with a phone activation or a computer install. And of course, they offer curbside pickup. That's our look at the Minecraft GeoBook 120, $269 right now at Best Buy. Links down in the description if you want to find out more and purchase one. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you on the next one.